SOLIDWORKS PDM is the best product data management solution for everyone in a company to manage their data, files, and documents to increase security, improve communication, and enhance work effectiveness. Here are some key capabilities of SOLIDWORKS PDM. Security access. It establishes a secure file vault to control access to sensitive and proprietary product information with the concept of right data to the right person at the right time. Electronic workflow and signature. It enables you to create a standardization to formalize, manage, and optimize processes. You can create folder structure and files with template setting, and then go through a proper approval and circulate your files and documents. Automated revision control and history. It can track design changes and avoid errors of manual method while maintaining a complete revision history of a design's evolution. File reference management. It enables you as a user to maintain all file references between SOLIDWORKS parts, assemblies, drawings, and other types of design data automatically. Auto notification. If you are spending too much time to write an email, why not allow the system to do the job for you? It improves the communication among departments and ensures the right person is informed. Integrated search. You can take advantage of the powerful file searching tools to quickly find the design data that you need across a range of file types. It also reduces the development cost through the design reuse by searching the data across a range of file types using the powerful searching tools. Contact us now if you want to know more about the capabilities of SOLIDWORKS PDM.